Welcome to 100 days of skills and certification. Today is day 16, a review program where I talk about the different certifications I've received, the last 100 of them within the last 12 months. Today we are looking at a beautiful certificate I obtained on March 16, 2023 after studying this course on Customer Referral Programs. So Customer Referral Programs has to do with taking advantage of your current customers to bring other customers through referral systems where you could share profits, share points, and give incentives to customers who are able to lead others to patronize your products and services. A very, very interesting course taught by Fraser. You can get the details of the course in the description of this video, and also all the links to my social media so you can follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel and ensure that you don't miss out on any other reviews we're going to be doing for other beautiful certificates like this one. Till I come your way again in another video, thank you and bye for now.